In this video, I'll show you how to add a payment method in Facebook Business Manager step by step. Adding a payment method allows you to pay for your Facebook and Instagram ads without interruptions. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the account that manages your business. Next, click Settings, then open Billing and Payments, or Payment Settings, depending on your account version. If you have multiple ad accounts, select the one you want to update. Now, click Add Payment Method. Choose your preferred payment option, such as a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or another available method in your region. Enter your payment details carefully, including your card information or PayPal account. Then click Save or Continue. If prompted, complete any verification steps required by your bank or payment provider. Once the payment method is added, you can set it as your primary payment method for future ad charges. Review your billing information to make sure everything is correct. That's how you can add a payment method in Facebook Business Manager and keep your ad campaigns running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.